Everybody, this is David coming to you today from Toledo, Spain. My wife and I are ending our 6-week adventure here in Spain and France. And, a lot of people ask me about this being a vacation. It's really not a vacation. It's just the way I like to explain it to people is that we just temporarily are living somewhere else. Um, because both of us spend time each day working. We like to get into a location for at least 4 to 6 days so that we can kind of get feel like we're part of the community. And so here at our hotel and back behind me, you can probably see this. That's Toledo back there. Toledo is the old capital of Spain. This is a 30-minute train ride south of Madrid. A lovely city. It's the intersection of several different faiths over the years. Um, if you think about the Moorish or Islamic faith, they overtook Spain several hundred years ago, and then the Christians took over, and then there was a big Jewish community prior to World War II here, and so you can go into some of the cathedrals here, and at one time or another, they've been a synagogue, a mosque, or a Christian cathedral. And so you can go in, you can see the different um, symbols and things that are worked into the location. But anyway, uh, I am set up at the end of the 6-week trip, and we'll be coming home on Saturday, which is in 2 days, May the 6th. And classes begin on May the 8th, so I just wanted to give you a brief welcome. I love summer classes, and the reason I do is because they're very, very small, just a handful of students, and it gives me the opportunity to get involved in the discussion boards and to do several different things that typically I don't have the opportunity to do in much larger classes during the fall and the spring. And so I look forward to that in the classes. I also want to let you know that uh, in discussion boards, for example, you're required to have an original post and two response posts to other students' posts. When I respond or put an initial post in the discussion boards in these smaller classes, feel free to respond to me, and that will count towards your requirement on the discussion boards. Some of you are brand new to Charleston Southern and to the degree program, so again, officially welcome. I have some announcements that I've placed in the course, and I've already sent an email to those of you who are brand new with some tutorials and other things. But after you complete your first week, there's a requirement that you and I get connected over the telephone. And I do that to make sure that I get to know you better, you get to know me better. I can answer some of your questions about the learning platform, about the difference in graduate studies and undergraduate studies, and so on. So I would just encourage you to go ahead and send me an email with 3 available dates. Beginning, let's see, if the first day of class is May the 8th, the second week starts on May the 15th. So let's start those calls on May the 15th or after. Give me 3 options. Make sure you provide your telephone number with those as well. Okay? Well, again, I look forward to a great summer in our small classes. And if there's ever anything I can do, make sure you bounce me a quick email, um, and uh, and I'll get right back in touch with you. Okay? Have a great day, and look forward to the summer. Take care.